Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Alecia's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making this super crispy sweet and sour chicken. Now let's cook. So guys, I already have my chicken here and it's already washed with vinegar. So now I'll be seasoning my chicken and I'm using some Cajun seasoning, Old Bay season, the Maggi all-purpose season, which is my favorite, and also some paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. So now I'll be rubbing all that season in my chicken, just making sure that it's well coated. And as you guys can see, I use a whole lot of season because I love my chicken to have a lot of flavor. This chicken was so flavorful, guys. I promise you, this was so good. And if you guys want that extra flavor, just go ahead and season it overnight, just making sure that it's well marinated. So now for my coating, I have my flour right here, all-purpose flour. Now I'll be seasoning that flour with Cajun season, paprika, Maggi all-purpose season, practically the same seasoning you use to season your chicken, garlic powder, and black pepper. And you're just gonna mix that, just making sure that it's well blended. Now guys, it's time to coat our chicken and we'll be coating that in our flour mixture, which is well seasoned to perfection. Okay, and you're going to be coating that one at a time. Then you're going to put it in your ice cold water. The water has to be ice cold, guys. So by going with either ice water or just the moisture from the chicken instead of milk, you will get that crunchy crust. So when wet batter comes into contact with hot frying oil, the moisture in the batter is going to evaporate, and that's what caused the chicken to be crunchy. Or you guys can also use cornstarch just to give it that extra crunch, yeah. So guys, I already went ahead and I add my oil to my pot. Now I'm just gonna let that heat. Now while it's heated, you're gonna add your chicken one at a time. Just make sure not to let the oil splash. Okay, and then you're gonna cook your chicken for about 5 minutes on each side. Just make sure that it's golden brown and not burnt. okay? Though I'll be finishing them off in the oven, so about 3 to 4 minutes, I'll see, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. It depends on your temperatures. Make sure that the temperature isn't low, because if it's too low, your chicken is just going to be soggy and it won't have a crust. And if it's too hot, if the temperature is too high, it's just going to burn. Okay, so just make sure that the temperature is perfect 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember guys, chicken cook at an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or you guys can insert a probe thermometer into the thickest part of the chicken without touching the bone. So now guys, I'll be turning my chicken with my tongue as I told you guys. Now I will be rotating them once more because the color isn't exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a more golden brown color. So yeah. So while my chicken is frying, I'll be making my sweet and sour sauce. So for it, I'll be using ketchup, just a good amount of ketchup. Also some vinegar, pineapple juice, some cayenne pepper sauce, just to give it a little kick, you know. And as you guys can see, I'm all out, so I'm just gonna have to purchase more. I always use this in my wings because it makes bomb wings. Also some sweet chili sauce, oyster sauce, and you're just going to whisk that in. And I was supposed to add honey. I forgot to purchase honey, but you guys will see where I'm adding sugar. And I mean, it's optional if you guys, you know, don't want to use it. I'm just using it as a substitute, you know. There it is. I add the sugar right there. Now guys, look at this color. It's so beautiful. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. I love, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Now guys, I'll be turning my chicken once more, and this is the perfect color that I'm looking for in my chicken, guys. Golden, just beautiful. And guys, all the ingredients will be listed down in the description below, okay? Everything will be listed down below. Now guys, I'm removing my chicken and I'll be draining the excess oil on a wire rack. Now guys, I'll be dipping my chicken in that sauce, and if you guys want to double dip, honey, like double dip, okay? Best believe I double dipped. I just didn't show it on here, but I double dipped, honey, okay? Ooh, look at it. It's practically falling apart. Like, it's so beautiful and it was so good. Just juicy, guys. Guys, please, you have to try this recipe. Like, you guys really have to try this recipe, guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, I mean, what are you waiting for? Like, come on, what are you guys waiting for? What are you waiting for? An invitation? Okay, this is your invitation. Here is your invitation right here. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Alecia's Kitchen, because I have amazing videos coming. Okay, just amazing. Okay, you know, just go ahead and help your girl out. Okay, help a sister out. Now guys, I'm just gonna be baking those in the oven for about 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like after. Guys, remember to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.